If it's comfortable for you, I invite you to close your eyes. For this is the moment in which we will practice all that we have learned in the spiritual journey of our lives. And you can allow it to begin with gratitude. Fill your mind with thoughts of everything and everyone that you can be grateful for in your life today. I realize it can seem as though the plagues of our earthly existence weigh too heavily upon us to recognize the truth that in every moment of our lives, there is an abundance to be grateful for. Bring it to mind now and allow the gratitude generator that dwells within you to muster up an energy of thanksgiving within you. Take a deep breath and relax still more deeply. For I tell you this, relaxation is a key to spiritual awareness. Be willing to release everything that has preoccupied your mind or your heart and relax. Become as non-resistant as you possibly can, meaning to allow and accept everything that is a part of your world and the world at large. Doesn't mean you have to condone it. It just means you have to accept that what is what is, and release any resistance that may be within your mind at this time. Now find yourself resting in silence, which simply stated means your willingness to become thoughtless for a few moments, releasing good, bad, right, and wrong, and simply dwelling in the awareness, dwelling in the silent space within you. And from this silence, move into complete trust, complete receptivity. For in every moment of your life, there is the word of truth rapping gently upon the entryway of your own mind and heart. Be receptive to it. In your mind, extend your arms and say, I am ready to receive that which is mine to receive. And from that place of receptivity, believe that you will be offered the right and perfect action for you to take in your life and in life at large. It's a simple statement that you make. What would you have me do today? What would you have me be? What would you have me say to those who are a part of my earthly experience on this day? And trust and believe and know that you will be given the answers and that they will emerge from the silent depths of your own soul. given the key to liberating yourself from every false idea that you've ever held about your own life, the life of someone you love, life on this planet. For no longer will you be giving your whole attention to the world that is outside of you. Rather, you are giving your whole attention to the world that is inside of you. Jesus called this the kingdom of heaven. And it's yours in any moment you consciously and intentionally choose to pull away from the compelling reports of time and space and find peace and rest and solace and productive action in the world through this wellspring of the divinity of God that indwells you. We're grateful today and every day of our eternal lives for this discovery we have made. Greater is that which is within you than anything in the world. And so it is. Amen.